Which other information do you have to supply?
Well, this is just the founding affidavit of Brigadier Gininda in applying for Section 205. So it's basically an affidavit to say, you know, I'm applying for Section 205, these numbers, and these are the reasons.
All right.
Yes.
What is Section 205? Ask one YouTube user in our comment section, and let's get into it. So Section 205 of the Criminal Procedure Act of South Africa, it's actually a court order signed by a judge or a magistrate instructing the investigating officer to serve the said document to the person who's in charge. So for example, in the Senzo Meyiwa case, the Section 205 is signed. So first of all, it is applied for, okay? And the magistrate and the judge grant it. And then with that document, the investigating officer, in this case, not Maholo, because she was just too lazy. The investigating officer, I guess Gininda in this case, goes to Vodacom and says, hey, Vodacom, I'm going to need all the phone records for Kelly Khumalo and any of the 5 accused, basically anyone they want, as long as they put it in that Section 205. You cannot just walk up to Vodacom right now and be like, I need the phone records for Kelly Khumalo, and here is her phone number. There has to be a Section 205 accompanying that request, and also in that request it outlines what was actually asked for and if a judge approved it. If a judge has not approved it, it means all those records, those piles and piles of papers, are inadmissible in court and will be thrown out. That is why Mshololo and the rest of the defense team keep asking for Section 205. Let me know in the comment section if this made sense to you. And also there was another question with regards to, and the question was, and what is Section 174? Section 174 is about accused right to discharge a case if there's no evidence against him, or to appeal if found guilty because of the confessions of the co-accused. So thank you for answering each other's questions in the comment section. I really, really appreciate that, because sometimes so many comments, I can't get through them. So thank you so much, Malifi. So I also want to add as well, if at the close of the case for the prosecution at any trial, the court is of the option that there is no evidence that the accused committed the offense referred to in the charge, or any offense of which he may be convicted on the charge, it may return a verdict of not guilty. Or as well, the position was that if there was no evidence of the accused's guilt on the charge or a competent charge, then the judge is required to discharge the accused from prosecution, removing his case from further consideration and thus rendering a verdict of not guilty. Hope this answers your questions today. And actually, let me throw in one more interesting question that we received in the comment section. So this question was thought-provoking, and it says, okay guys, balance me here. Are you pro the accused, and why? And here is our answer today. So that's a fair question. We are pro justice and no prejudice. We want justice for Senzo Meyiwa from a fair and free trial. So Mzansi, this question, I wanted to add it here because I think it's very important for myself to define what exactly I stand for. And I do not stand for the accused. I do not stand for Kelly Khumalo. I stand simply for justice, which is why you will find that we can also talk about AKA and who did this and that and that and that. Let me know in the comment section down below if this question and answer session was helpful to you. Also, let me know if you would like us to continue, and if you want to add on to these answers that we gave today, please be sure to drop a comment down below. But first, make sure you like this video. I promise you, when you tap that like button, like some colors jump out of your screen just to animate that experience for you and to ensure you've actually liked the video. Tap it now and see for yourself. Let me know in the comment section if you saw those colors jumping up and down. Thanks for watching, Mzansi. Catch you on our next upload.